Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a neat tool to keep track of your YouTube comments and the replies of your YouTube comments on Tubebuddy. Alright guys, so I'm here on our YouTube channel right now, and usually when you want to respond to comments, you would go to community, and when you go to community, you're going to see all of your YouTube comments together. Now, this tool that I'm about to share with you is useful if you have a lot of comments happening on a particular video. So we have a video that Arit did. It was for the Neewer stabilizer, and she was showing people how to stabilize your camera on the stabilizer, and it was like a 20-minute video. Anyways, that video basically went viral because it's getting like thousands of views a week, and it just passed like 60,000 views on this simple video of how to stabilize your camera. And we get a lot of comments on this video daily. So this tool in Tubebuddy is going to help you to respond to comments to specific videos and replies of comments on specific videos. So let me show you what I mean. So there's a couple of different ways to get to this feature. Now you could be in your video manager here, and you can go through and choose the video yourself. You can go to, let's say we want this video right here, you go to Tubebuddy, and then you go to quick links, and then here, the comments, you want to click on one of these. So it can be comments I have not replied to, comments that have replies which need to be followed up on, comments with reply disabled, comments that contain a question mark, comments that contain the words, and then you can input what words you're looking for specifically. So let's say I want this one right here, comments I have not replied to. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open a new window. And for this specific video, which is about the Blue Yeti microphone, we have one comment here. Now that's really cool if I want to target comments on a specific video, because usually, you know, you'd have to scroll through and try and find that comment, or you'd have to go into that video and scroll through and try and find new comments. Now I'm going to show you the video that I'm talking about. So this is the video right here, how to balance a Neewer stabilizer, and this video has a lot of comments because it's getting a lot of daily views. So I want to respond to the comments and the replies to this specific video. So I would find this video, and then you would head over here, and then usually it's on tools, but if you click on quick links, you get to the comment section, and then here you can filter out comments I have not replied to, and click on that, and then you're gonna have a whole list of all the comments that we haven't replied to. You can also go on to your Creator Studio, head over to Community, and then go over here under this tab where it says all videos, and you can scroll through and choose from your videos. They're going to be in the order that you've uploaded them. So this is the latest one that we've done, so that's why it's at the top, and you can scroll through. It has a certain amount that you can go through, so it doesn't have all your videos, but let's say for instance this one right here, I can see all of the comments for this specific video. So that is how you can organize your comments and really stay up to date on videos that are getting constant comments all the time. And again, there's various different ways to get to it. Just make sure that you're on the video, click the Tubebuddy logo somewhere, and then head over to quick links, and you should see the comments area and be able to choose the filter that you want for comments. And again, this was with the Tubebuddy plugin, the Chrome extension. It's a paid plugin. We don't just use it for this, we use it for YouTube SEO, publishing to YouTube, creating thumbnails. One of my favorite things right now on Tubebuddy is the demonetization check. It's a really cool software if you guys are really serious about doing YouTube full time. If you guys are interested in checking out Tubebuddy, head down to the description below as we have the links for you guys to check out. So if this video was helpful for you, let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. And if you have any more questions about Tubebuddy, leave them down in the comments below and I may just create a video on them. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.